Billions of dollars are pouring into quantum computing. Governments and investors are betting big. China alone has committed up to $25 billion, while the US and Europe are putting in billions more. So, where are the quantum computers? Why don't we see them solving real-world problems yet? Here's what's really going on. Quantum computing research is moving fast in the lab, but in the business world, adoption is crawling. Most companies are still on the sidelines, maybe running some small experiments or partnering with quantum hardware startups, but very few are going all in. The reason? There just aren't any proven, commercially valuable quantum applications out there, yet. It's a classic case of if you build it, will they come? And right now, nobody is sure. Now let's talk about who's actually experimenting. Early adopters are mostly in high-performance industries, think finance, pharmaceuticals, or chemical companies. They're curious, and they've got the resources, but even they aren't making huge investments. Supporting cutting-edge research or building an in-house quantum team is risky, especially when there's no immediate payoff. And the barriers are real. Quantum computers use all sorts of exotic hardware, superconducting circuits, trapped ions, even photons. Each approach is its own scientific universe, making it tough even for experts to compare them. Add in confusing headlines about quantum supremacy or quantum advantage and you've got a recipe for uncertainty. Is quantum computing a miracle around the corner or is it decades away? Nobody really knows. Ironically, the industries that might benefit the most, like logistics or construction, aren't even sure what problems quantum could solve for them. Their goals are fuzzier, but they might actually get practical results sooner, just because they have so much to gain. So for now, quantum computing is a field where hype, hope, and hard science are constantly colliding. Billions are invested, but the waiting game continues. I'll keep watching and I'll let you know when the quantum revolution finally arrives.